Facebook currently has over 2 billion users, and as the platform continues to grow, news feeds changes are implemented, and for businesses, your Facebook competition is getting tighter by the minute. Businesses simply cannot ignore Facebook as part of their online marketing strategy. But to make the most of your Facebook page, to attract and engage visitors, drive them to your website, and convert them into leads, you need to optimize your Facebook presence. The platform has changed completely in just a few years, and staying up to date with those changes can be a challenge. That's why there are some new marketing tips for Facebook marketing tips that would help you grow more. Get comfortable with video. Video on Facebook accounts for just 0.9% of all posts. Here's the crazy thing about that, these same 0.9% of posts account for 7.15% of all reach on the network. And that number is growing. Video posts are dominating social media, with Facebook emerging as YouTube's largest contender for video uploads. If you haven't started marketing with video on Facebook, now's the time to begin. Stay on topic. According to Daniel Sundin, community manager at Petco, people who like your brand on Facebook expect your posts to be at least somewhat related to your brand or industry. Keeping your focus so narrow may seem limiting, especially if you're the one crafting the posts each day. Instead, think of it as a creative challenge. Following tips would help you stay on topic. Write about a current event and relate it with your brand. Find and share a funny YouTube video loosely related to your brand or industry. Ask your audience to post questions, pictures, or stories about your brand. Repost the most interesting content back out as an update. Go for Facebook Live. Facebook Live opens a remarkable amount of access to a potential audience from across the world. According to Social Media Today, users watch live videos 3 times longer than pre-recorded videos. Today, B2B marketers on Facebook have the power to use their creativity in presenting their value proposition to their target audience in a more exciting and relatable way. B2B content does not have to be long, complex, and dry. Facebook Live helps to build greater trust, engagement, and overall reach. For better success, have a scheduled Facebook Live show. To continue, click the link below this video.